Banking. Important topics. History of banking, ATM, Internet banking, GST, NI Act and important sections, RBI, types of banking, National Payment Corporation of India, services provided by banks, important schemes, RRB, Lead Bank Scheme, Nostro, Ostro, Gilt-edged Securities, KFC and PMLA, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, IFSC, MICR, SWIFT, DICGC and Deposit Guarantee Scheme, KCC, SCC, ULCC, Differential Rate of Interest, Bank Rate, Blue Chip Shares, CRR, SLR, Base Rate, Bank Rate, Credit Control Methods, BR Act and its sections, Camera Rating and Car Rating, Contract of Guarantee and Indemnity, CRAR and Basel Norms, Check, Promissory Note, Bill of Exchange, Commercial Banks and Nationalizations, Tier 1 Capital, Tier 2 Capital, etc.